There are classic cars, and then there are cars with a story. This is a 1962 Ford Thunderbird, a true American icon from the golden era of design. But what sets this one apart isn't just its presence, it's its history. This Thunderbird was owned by Rock and Roll Hall of Famer Sammy Hagar, and before that it belonged to legendary guitarist Ronnie Montrose. This isn't just a car they owned, it's a car they lived in. Driven to shows, shared between bandmates. A true piece of rock and roll history on four wheels. Under the hood sits a 390 cubic inch V8. Paired with an automatic transmission, the same drivetrain configuration it left the factory with. This is the heart of the Thunderbird, smooth, powerful, and unmistakably American.
Come on, baby. Crank it on up. Oh.
And the car itself? It represents the peak of early 1960s luxury performance with its jet-age styling, signature bullet nose front end, and sweeping rear lines that defined an era. Finished in a timeless black exterior over a striking red interior, this car captures everything that made the Thunderbird legendary: bold, elegant, and unmistakably cool. But what truly elevates this example is the care and attention it's received. This car underwent a comprehensive restoration, bringing it back to life while preserving its originality and character. Inside, the transformation continues. A fully refreshed interior, maintaining the original look while improving comfort. New seatbelts for modern usability and safety, and Dynamat sound insulation, dramatically improving cabin quietness and ride quality. The engine received a complete tune-up, ensuring it runs strong and smooth. All power windows are fully operational, just as they should be. The air conditioning system has been brought back to working condition. A new battery has been installed for reliability. The car features a new exhaust system and mufflers, giving it the right tone without overpowering the ride. This is a car that doesn't just look the part, it's been brought up to a standard where it can be enjoyed, driven, and appreciated. And that's exactly what this car was meant for, because this Thunderbird isn't a trailer queen, it's a driver. As Sammy Hagar himself described it, this is a car built to be out on the road.
Last time I seen your face, swore that no one would take your place. Now since you've been gone, I've been feeling bad, yeah. I come out to your place, I'm afraid of your dad. So you
So what you're looking at here is more than just a 1962 Thunderbird. It's a true American classic, a fully sorted, turnkey driver, and a piece of rock and roll history. Tied to two legendary musicians, cars like this don't come around often, and when they do, they don't just get admired, they get remembered.
And more